before we are discussing, you mentioned CLI. So no pun intended. What else is in your pipeline?
Oh yeah. So I think at anynines we've learned that we also want to engage with the community and make our products more accessible. So we've built that a9s Postgres operator, and one way to use it is using the anynines CLI, which just recently came out. It is a tool that allows you to create a local development cluster using Minikube or Kind. It will install a Postgres operator, the a9s Postgres operator, and you can right away, experience and create Postgres instances, a clustered instance with streaming replication set up for you, automatic failover. So if you want to develop a web app, for example, locally, or you just want to try out a9s Postgres, download the anynines CLI. There's a tutorial linked on the website. You'll just take 15 minutes and it'll guide you through the creation of a Kubernetes cluster, install the operator, and deploy a demo app with ease. So it's a fun thing to do.